Welcome back to my channel. This is Shahrzad, and if this is your first time visiting, we are teaching violin to the beginners. In today's lesson, we want to talk about the fourth finger. Fourth finger, we have the weakest muscles on our fourth finger because we don't use it that much. So sometimes when you are sitting somewhere, just put your wrist on a table and then just move it to use the muscles a little bit. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick any strings. So far we cover A, D, and G string, and the notes are in a row. I'm gonna start on D string. What is important about the fourth finger is the shape of my fourth finger should be like a bridge. I'm not gonna put my fingers like this. If you want to put your fourth finger there and then you can reach the sticker, don't do this or don't move your thumb. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna release my point finger from here, loose it, turn my wrist, and then I can put my fourth finger, as you see, like a bridge without changing it to this or without moving my thumb. One more practice that we have to do for making the fourth finger good is don't pick up your first finger and just stretch more, and then after a while you know how much stretch you have to do and you're going to use to this. So if you want to use your fourth finger for now, don't pick up your first finger. So one of the other practices, it helps us to make the pinky stronger. We don't need the bow. We're just gonna stand up and hold it right, and then on each note we're gonna tap four times, with making the sound of wood out and the string out both, like this. Keep it down, add your second finger, 2, 3, 4, keep it down. Keep it down. So see, these bones here, if you don't hold it like this and you turn your wrist, then you can reach the fourth finger. And then do the same thing with your bow, and then do it very slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and then going back. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for watching this. Please share it with your friends, and if you have any other question, please let me know.